Good morning to all. Let us start with velocity of this mechanism. In the question it is given that link OA rotate with 6 radian per second in clockwise direction. So let us see first configuration diagram. In configuration diagram, OA is given at 30 degree with respect to horizontal line downward side. So here it is A point. AB is one another link, BQ. Q is pin jointed. E is intermediate point of AB. It is not midpoint, it is intermediate point. E to B distance is provided 250 mm over here. OA link is 150 mm. After that, ED is 350, C is pin joint. PCD, here it is PCD, that is triangular link. Actually, in this mechanism, it is work as a bell crank lever, L-shaped lever, bell crank. C to P distance is 600, C to D distance is 250. C to Q horizontal distance is 600 and ultimately C to O is 350. Our question is to find velocity at point P and angular velocity of DCP, bell crank lever. That is our question. So before that, let us start to draw velocity diagram. So let me rough this whole dimension so that you can easily visible velocity diagrams and my notations. Okay, so this one is configuration diagram. I drawn with appropriate scale. It is rough diagram in board. So before at the start of velocity diagram, first we have to locate fixed point. So identify first fixed point in this configuration diagram. So O is pin jointed, means O is fixed point, C is fixed point as a pin joint, and Q. O, C and Q all are fixed joint. So let me locate over here anywhere in the page, that is O, C and Q. All three are fixed point in this diagram. Now angular velocity of OA link is given. So first we will identify velocity of OA link. So OA link is over here. So velocity relation is V equal to R omega. V represent velocity, R represent length of link, and omega represent angular velocity of that particular link. So V, that is for AO, velocity of A with respect to O, R AO and omega AO. Capital letters represent in configuration, small letters represent in velocity diagram. R represent length of AO, that is 150 mm. Omega represent angular velocity, that is 6 radian per second. Ultimately our answer is 900 mm per second. Generally we are writing answer in terms of meter per second, so that is 0.9 meter per second. That is velocity of AO. Now velocity of any link will be perpendicular to that link. So perpendicularly is possible in two ways, either it will be upside or downside. Here angular velocity is given clockwise, so movement will be in clockwise direction. So velocity direction should be upward, so that OA link will be rotated in clockwise direction. Now draw line perpendicular to OA, passing from either O or A, but we don't have A point in velocity diagram. So we will draw perpendicular line from O in upward side, because it is clockwise, that's why arrow of upward is right. And dimension represent 0.9 meter per second. But we are unable to draw 0.9 meter per second, so we will consider appropriate scale. Let us say I want to draw with 9 centimeter and given dimension, actual dimension is 0.9 meter per second. So scale in velocity diagram scale of this diagram will be 10 centimeter divided by 1 meter per second. So it is 10 centimeter equal to 1 meter per second. That will be our scale of velocity. Now let us draw line perpendicular to AO passing from O. So here it is perpendicular line of AO and that equivalent to 0.9 meter per second. And ultimately here it is A point. We started to draw from O towards A. So direction arrow is towards A side. So we reach up to A point. Now we have A point. Now I want to identify next E point, but E we cannot find because it is on link AB. So let us find B point first. So for AB link we don't have angular velocity, but we have line of action of AB. Line of action of AB is perpendicular to AB, as well as line of action of BQ is perpendicular to BQ. Intersection will be B point. So let us draw. Line of action of AB link is approximate this one, and BQ link is approximate perpendicular line is this one. Now draw line of action of AB, velocity line of action of AB passing from either A or B. We don't have B point, so we will draw from A point. So let me draw line of action of AB link. That is actually this one. We don't know direction, so we will draw infinite long line. After that, draw line perpendicular to BQ passing from either B or Q. Again we don't have B point, so we will draw from Q perpendicular to BQ. Again infinite length. Intersection of AB and BQ will be B point. Intersection of AB and BQ will be B point. That is over here. Now next is E point. So E point is intermediate inside of AB link. So for intermediate point we are taking ratio. So known value is AB divided by, say EB is given over here. EB is given equal to same in velocity diagram. Capital letters represent in configuration diagram. Now small letters is AB upon EB. You have value of AB that is given in question. Over here I mentioned that value. So value of AB divided by value of EB is given 250 equal to AB value. Small AB value you can measure from here, from A point to B point. Let us consider it is 10.2 centimeter. It is not true value, it is approximate value. Using scale you can find. So when you draw actual diagram, measure this value. Divide by EB. So 250 in terms of mm, and AB value which is given again it is in terms of mm. So mm will be cancelled. When you do cross multiply, centimeter unit is remaining. So you will have answer EB in terms of centimeter. So using scale measure EB on AB link. So AB link पे आपको draw करना है. Don't draw on BQ link. So measure EB according to this particular value. Let's consider E point is say over here. So here it is E point according to this value in terms of centimeter. Approximate I considered E point, but you have perfect value, same value of all. Now we reach up to E point. Now after E point we will find D point, but D point is on ED and CD link. C we have and E we have. C and E both we have. So line of ED, velocity of ED is perpendicular to ED and velocity of CD is again perpendicular to CD. Intersection will be D point. Now draw line perpendicular to ED passing from E because we don't have D point. So perpendicular line of ED passing from E. Say this one is perpendicular line We don't know direction, so I draw both sides. Likewise, perpendicular to CD passing from C. So here approximate perpendicular to CD passing from C. So intersection point will be D point. So this one is the actual diagram. D point. Finally, I want to find P point. So for P point, you can consider ratio because P, C and D, all three are on a same link. So let us identify ratio. CD, it is known, upon CP, which is unknown. So again, CD upon CP equal to in velocity small cd and small cp. CD dimension is given to you, so you can write again cp is known. Small cd you can measure from C to D in velocity diagram in terms of centimeter. Ultimately you have cp value in terms of centimeters, small cp, which is in velocity diagram. Now I want to draw P point in this velocity diagram. When you analyze this DCP link, DCP link is L-shaped link. So CD and CP is rigidly attached like this. So when it is rotated, again both are rotated because of it is fixed. So velocity of D and P is at particular this angle. So velocity of CP link is perpendicular. So draw perpendicular to CP passing from C. So here it is perpendicular line passing from C. See, this one is perpendicular line. Why I drawn towards left side only? Because when you consider CD link horizontal and CP link vertical, when it is rotated, D will be on top side. So P will be towards left side of C. See, C point is intersection of two planes. So P is towards left side. That's why I consider only towards left side. Now CP you have specific centimeter. So I noted say P point over here. It may be inside also depending upon your answer. So this one will be our velocity diagram. So these are the extra lines. Let us remove. Now in question it is required to find velocity at P point. So symbol of velocity at P point. With respect to what? It is not given. So that is called absolute velocity. So velocity of P point with respect to is not given, means with respect to fixed point, because it is absolute. So here it is fixed. So velocity of P related to P, which point is fixed? P is connected with C. C is fixed. So it is PC. Now measure P to C distance. That is in terms of centimeter. Convert into appropriate scale and write down in terms of meter per second. Before that, let me explain arrowhead. So we started from O to A, then A to B, then Q to B, intersection will be B point. Ultimately E point we find it, E to D, and C to D, and ultimately C to P. Velocity symbol you can write VAO because A arrowhead. Likewise AB, arrow is towards B side, so velocity BA. Likewise here it is VB, that is absolute, or VBQ, again absolute, Q is fixed. Likewise VBC, VBE and VPC. And find, second question, find angular velocity of PCD. You can find angular velocity of PC or angular velocity of CD. Both are same. Relation between velocity and angular velocity is given by V equal to R omega. For which link we want to find either PC or CD, because it is bell crank lever which is ternary link. So let us find with CD. Small letters for velocity, capital letters for configuration diagram. Velocity of DC we don't know. So where is DC? Yes. Measure this distance. Let's consider it is 4.8 in terms of centimeter. So velocity will be 0.48 approximate. So 0.48 meter per second. It is not perfect answer. RCD represent length of CD. Length of CD is given in your question in terms of mm and omega CD. Now millimeter and meter both will be have to interchange. So 480 mm per second divided by value of CD length in terms of mm, that will be omega CD. So ultimately this division will be in terms of radian per second. For CD link, angular velocity of CD is same as PCD. Now let us find direction of angular velocity of PCD. For direction, again let us focus on CD. CD is this one. So that is velocity of D point. It is velocity of D point with respect to C. So that is called velocity of D point only. It is towards upside. So draw this arrow at D point because it is velocity of D point only. So this one is arrow towards upside. VD, velocity at D with respect to C. So with respect to C. Now keep thumb at C because it is with respect to C. So C will be fixed. And rotate this arrow. Arrow is towards in anti-clockwise direction. So answer of omega CD will be counterclockwise. You can consider CP link also. So let us consider CP link for understanding. So this one is velocity of P with respect to C. So it is velocity of P. So draw this arrow towards P side at P. With respect to what? With respect to C. So C is fixed and rotate this arrow counterclockwise. So answer will be counterclockwise. So that is DCP, CD or DCP because it is ternary link. So this one is called velocity diagram to find velocity and angular velocity of various points and link.